Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today I'm not that um, energetic. I had some problems in another project that I had that I'm managing, and it's one of those days that trading is okay, but life we have life apart from trading. So yeah, so I had some other problems. First of all, it's true that today I didn't feel really good with the charts. I had no edge. I took one trade, but I didn't feel it like it was correct, but I didn't feel it. And well, I didn't really have had edge, so I just traded that trade and no more. Okay, I had to go to work anyways, so yeah. So let me explain myself. So first of all, we had previous weekly low and run liquidity in H1 on the DXY, so it took that in Asia. I have to study this because I don't know if it takes it in Asia if it continues going down. Okay, so well in this case, but well the day sorry the day well as you can see it was all day fucking bearish, and well on EU here I have my trade, previous weekly high being taken, previous daily high being taken, clear on liquidity in M5 as I'm gonna show you right now. And well, we had a break obstructor here. It's true that the break obstructor was the run liquidity on M5 too, and that here we had a clean break and another one, but we still had this clear run liquidity on M5. And well, I just look for a sell here with the mitigation. Proper confirmation, so I don't really feel bad with this trade. I entered, like it went up again, and I entered there. So I didn't really feel bad with this trade, but it wasn't a stop loss. Luckily, I risked less than I wanted to because on my FTMO challenge, because well, I had my settings wrong on the trade system and I had to place it manually. So yeah. Then the price continued higher. We had some break of start to the downside out of timing, and then we had this break to the downside. I thought about entering here, but I didn't enter, and because it was too far from my relevant liquidity. So maybe if I would not, I wouldn't have been working. I would have entered, but because oh my god, I'm fucking tired. But because I had this stop loss. Okay, so probably I would have made the mistake. Luckily I didn't. So yeah, and then I continued going higher. GU more or less the same, but in this case I just didn't fucking look at GU. Previous weekly high being taken yesterday, previous daily high being taken, and well, to the left I don't look that far. So we had a few movements. Clear around liquidity on M5 to be taken. Here we left a lot of fucking lows, a lot of buyers liquidity here, and yeah, nothing relevant really. We had a break of structure to the downside here, round liquidity on 5 being taken, and maybe continuation, but not trading that shit. USD JPY, as you can see, I didn't even look at USD JPY, but we took round liquidity on each one and previous weekly low. So yeah, no trades for me here, as I didn't look, but this looks like At some point, someday, I'm going to study this type of reactions and probabilities because Asia midline and previous daily low, creating all sellers liquidity, it comes back. It's true that it never took the real liquidity on M5 nor real liquidity on M1, sorry. So, well, I have to study this previous daily low liquidity. And then it came back again. I don't think I would have entered here because there's a clear wick. So break of structure and real liquidity on M5 being taken in this case, okay? Anyways, this is out of timing, okay? So yeah, no, not relevant for me. Okay, so USD more or less the same, but in this case, the price went to the fucking yeah, to the fucking shit, and and it's true that we had this break here, break of structure to the upside, but yeah, I didn't trade this too as I was at work, and yeah, I think it has not really sense, but well, I'm not really focused right now. I'm not thinking about trading or not trading here, but yeah, not sure about that. And USD CAD, previous weekly low being taken. I don't fucking know I have this here, but well, previous daily low. Yeah, this is from yesterday probably. Previous daily low, we had a break of structure to the upside. Probably with Union 5 being taken, but I didn't trade this as I didn't like after this movement to the upside. I didn't like these weeks. I saw it late, and then we had this movement to the upside again. And well, then it went down. Sorry. I wouldn't have traded this as it was too far from the previous daily low. So yeah, this is not really relevant. I just marked it up to know what I was talking about, and yeah, and then range. So as you can see today, the market felt like strange. Tomorrow we have a difficult day with a lot of news and interest rates and everything. So yeah, I think the market is reacting like really manipulated. And today S&P nothing, as I saw like this previous daily high being taken and nothing else for me. Okay, so well, I'm sorry, well not sorry because sometimes you feel like that, but yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit off, but yeah, it's just today. Tomorrow will be another day, and if not next week, and if not next year, but I'm gonna try to be okay always, and always pushing hard. If something goes wrong, we try something different and we continue pushing, and well, as always, consistency, perseverance, resilience, and yeah, just keep working and it will come one day. It will come, okay? So well, I hope you like it as always, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.